We are in the command center of Ace Turtle in India's main tech hub, Bangalore. The 4-year-old startup is helping big retail brands fight the brutal online shopping battle.
This gives me a view of how our system Rubicon is talking to the external parties, whether it is your Myntra, whether it is your Flipkart, whether it is our own in.puma.com website. All our brands, all our customers, all our integrations, all our third-party connects, the entire ecosystem is keeping a view.
It runs a brand's online stores on the client's own website or on popular marketplaces like Lazada or Flipkart.
We have multiple dashboards. We have, and each dashboard represents a different way of how the communication happens between the client and between the partners, and how the user experience. How a user from Singapore would be able to view the Raven site, and how the user from Mumbai can see the website. So this is a load time where we can see that from Mumbai there is a 3.9 second, and from Singapore there is about 2 seconds.
Ace Turtle is now helping brands to adopt it in the Singapore and Malaysian markets, managing customer orders, inventory and logistics across multiple channels.
We have to manage the orders that are coming from the marketplaces and also manage the inventory for the brand. So it's a bi-directional communication.
The startup does something called the endless aisle. If a shopper walks into a store and doesn't find what she wants, it's not the end of the aisle.
With our technology, with our platform, which is the omni-channel view of the inventory, the customer can find if any of the nearby stores is holding that inventory. Now once that is found, they want to go ahead and place an order. Now this order can be click and collect, it can be reserve and collect, it can be shipped from that store. When he or she is doing that, they are entering their credentials. That is where we get the omni-channel view of that customer also.
The data can be used to raise the level of customer support as well, and that's where the startup's business analyst comes in.
So she analyzes all the issues and ensures that we do the trend analysis of all the issues. Like if an issue has happened 10 times, what was the actual cause, how do we permanently fix it so that it never comes again. So it's pretty contradictory to the normal support services. Like if you call, let's say some gadget support services, they would say, that's an issue, we'll fix it, this and that. But we actually ensure that that particular issue never returns back.
What we are seeing is a big step forward in e-commerce, where brands reconnect with consumers after losing ground to the likes of Amazon, Lazada and Flipkart.